Good evening, everybody. Coming to you this evening out here with the local tow truck drivers. Had a feller that needed to turn around. Thought that pulling out in this old bean field here might be a good spot to turn around. It just gets softer, softer, and softer. Yeah, gotta like this. Yep. I love old Michigan. Frost goes out and the trucks get pulled out. Sitting right on the ground. I like that. All the blinkers and flashers going on. We're gonna have to fill all the blinker fluid back up tonight. So y'all have a good evening. Be safe out there. Just remember, you gotta turn around. Don't pick a field, especially in Michigan this time of year, because they are soft. We'll see ya. Bye.